Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can easily test a microphone on Windows 11. So let's start. It's pretty straightforward and pretty easy how we can do it. So if this video will be helpful, definitely write down below in comments for other people to know too. They can watch it. So you want to go to the bottom. Next to the search button is going to be Start. Right click on a Start, and at the Task Manager you're going to see Settings. Click on the Settings. Now when you're going to be here, you want to go under System, and then you want to go to the Sound, and then you're gonna have the input here, the microphone, and you can simply see if the microphone is working. I disable it for a while, and you can disable it. You can add a new device, you can change the microphone, and also test the microphone that you're actually using. And you're gonna have to test your microphone. Select Start Test and talk or play audio at your normal volume for at least a few seconds, then select Stop Test. So this is pretty much it how we do it. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.